Hey everybody! Today we are looking at Perplexity. What is Perplexity? It's a search engine that will give you information in text form, natural language, with the sources where this information came from. It's just amazing! Let's get to it. You start by going to perplexity.ai. It will then ask you to create a username, password, all that stuff. Just go ahead, it's free. Now, when you get to perplexity.ai, you will see the three little options here on the left hand side. One is home, the second one is discover, the third one is library. And you actually have a list of what you have tried before. Okay, and it wants you to try Pro, and actually the Pro version is about $20, but I don't have the Pro version. Without the Pro, you can still use the Pro features for a short amount of queries. Now, before you can ask anything, when you click over here, you can decide what it is you want to find out about. There's some suggestions. You can decide on what focus you want to have to the answers that it will give you. So for instance, is it all? If it is all, it will search across the entire internet, very much like Google would. Academic, search in published academic papers. Then we have writing, so it will generate text but without searching the web. It could go to Wolfram or Alpha with computational knowledge engine. It can help you discover videos and watch videos on YouTube, or you can go for discussions on Reddit. You could also attach a file, say like an Excel file, and get them to analyze it for you as well. And then you can get to Pro. Before you even get going, I'm going to show you here the Discover tab. And in Discover, there's different articles that you may want to take a look at. This comes pre-programmed for you. And then you have the library where you can go and actually create collections. And you can actually program it in such a way. For me, whenever I type dinner, I get chicken recipe with vegetables. That's what I asked for. And we can create one today for you to see what it looks like, how I did it. So you can do the same thing. So let's go to home and take a look at what it is that we have here. We get to home. I am going to leave my focus as all. Okay, so that's the one that I want. Don't really need to click on it because it is already selected that way. And then I can ask anything. So I would like to know about Aretha Franklin. So I want to type the life of Aretha Franklin. I press the enter key, there you go. And notice what happens here. Automatically it finds the answer for you. It tells you on the right hand side, it shows you pictures. As you scroll down, you get to see her life, right? When she was born, when she died, her occupation, just in case you didn't know who Aretha Franklin was. And then right here, as you scroll down, you get to see those numbers. These numbers are actually where the source of where this information came from. So it could be a website. It is a website, right? So but it shows you exactly what they are. When you click on it, it will actually take you exactly to the website where you found this information. Had you done this in Google, you would have had to search both websites to then summarize it together. And here, look at this. So it shows you musical beginnings, the whole thing. And you can search videos, can generate image here as well. And then on the top right here, you can decide whether or not you want this information to be shared or is it private. So if I click on share, you see, I can make so that only the author can view, or it's shareable. Anyone with the link can view. And you can actually share it as well. You can copy this link, you can share it on Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter. Very cool. Very, very easy to do. And then you could also add this to a collection. Okay, so if you had a collection created, you could add this to a collection. I don't want to add this to a collection, but you could. And you can delete the whole thread as well. So, let's talk about collections now. When you go to library, on the left-hand side, you can create a collection. Notice that I have one called chicken recipe. So the way I set it up was, every single time I type dinner, I want to be able to see a new recipe. So I type dinner, and there you go. It gave me, and this is what I wanted. I said, I want to know cooking time, I want to know the ingredients, and I want to also know the instructions, and gave me exactly that. Okay, and I could actually rewrite this. I can copy it. It's really cool. I can edit the prompt. All that can be done. So let's do that. Let's create a collection. So I'm gonna go with a plus collection here, and the name will be vegetarian dishes. And my description, dinner, vegetarian dishes. And then I write, every time I type veggies, I want to see a recipe for a vegetarian dish. I don't want it to be too spicy. Please give me cooking time, ingredients, and instructions. And I have to decide, is this shareable or a secret? It's fine, I don't care. People want to see my recipes, it's good. And I just click on create. So that's my vegetarian dishes just now. So when I click on vegetarian dishes, all I need to do, because you have to click on the prompt that you created, okay? So you type veggies and you press the enter key, and there you go. It gave you a vegetarian recipe. You see, you have the ingredients, and including soy sauce, it has a picture, has the whole thing. And the cooking time, like I asked, the ingredients like I asked, and the instructions like I asked. And it's related and all that. So I just find this to be super cool. And there you have it. That was Perplexity. Super cool. Not difficult to use at all. I just need you guys to leave a comment. I am going to put a link to Perplexity in the description. And if you like this video, please leave a like and please subscribe to the channel. I really would appreciate it. You guys take care. Bye.